Hi guys, so here's the 3 places that you can go in just one day. First, Mr. May Italian Buffet, where you can eat 18 flavors of pizza unlimited. Next, Phong He Park, where you can enjoy this longest giant slide in town. Lastly, Ho To San Park, where you can sit down overlooking the city. So ganito yan, from Taoyuan train station, take the Zhongshan Road exit. At paglabas, para walang downtime, we just took a taxi to go to the Mr. May Italian Cuisine. So here we are, tara, let's get in. At dahil nga we have a reservation, the stop lead us to our table. Here you need to order one main course first, or buffet salad bar lang, pwede rin naman, and enjoy 18 pizza flavors unlimited. So here's what we ordered, chicken leg and baked shrimp. This time, let me show you around. The toilet is on the left side corner, and from here you can enjoy variety of Italian foods to eat. Ice cream over there, and on this side naman, finger foods, appetizers, fried and grilled. Next is my all-time favorite fruits and salad bar section. And here's are the drinks, smoothie, juice, chocolate, coffee, and tea, and of course the desserts. This resto has a high ceiling made of book wall design, and it's quite big with a lot of window seats, nice and clean. And after eating, while waiting for the taxi, ang bruha nag-tiktok pa. Kaya naman ang mga people sa loob at labas napapatingin. Ay, buti na lang andyan na yung car. This time, let's go naman to our next destination. It's only 5 minutes away and it's called Phong He Park. And if you can find the giant slide, you can ask anyone and they will tell you where. Oops, bakit nawala si Bruha? Bahala na nga siya, I'll go ahead na. So, tara, sundan niyo ako and let's go to the main attraction here. The highest and longest slides in town.
Kung kailan ka tumanda, saka ka pa nag-experience ng ganyang kahaba? Ano ba yan?
Huwag ka nang marami pang satsat. Akyat, and you go first.
Ay, Diyos ko, ilagay mo sa pita mo. Wala. Mamaya mo ako ito. Ito. Ay, wala! Go! Go, go, go! Ay, huwag mo pigilan! Umuga! Umuga! Ay, hindi na ka bata. Bitawan mo!
So it's my turn now and I can do it. So let's go. This giant slide is 5-story high and 50 meters long that will give you a 20 seconds enjoyable slide. It was really fun, kaya lang sakit sa